In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add trust badges to your Shopify footer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add badges such as these example badges that I have here. Of course, the badges that you are going to be adding might indicate free shipping, the payment methods accepted, the trust, the guarantee, anything. But for this video, I'm just going to use these examples. So I apologize, they are poorly made. I just made them to show you how they would look like after you add them to your page. You will be able to add them into any section, but for this video specifically, we're going to be focusing on how to add the trust badges to your footer. To do this, you will have to manually change the code for your theme. So go over to your store dashboard, go over to the themes category, and in here, find the theme that you wish to customize. Click these little three dots and then the option to add the code. So we have basically two major steps that we have to do. We have to import the image of the trust badges as an asset and then add the trust badges to the footer. To import the asset, if you look at these folders at the left, one of them is going to be the assets folder. Open this up and then click the option to add a new asset. You will then be able to upload a new file or create a blank file. I recommend that you upload a file and you upload a PNG image of the trust badges. PNG basically means that it needs to have a transparent background to work best, but you can explore other options. I'm not going to go too much in depth, but I just recommend that you use a PNG image and you will be good to go. Once you add the trust badges images that you have, such as this example here that I've made, you will be able to add them to the footer. So now right click this image that you can open by going over to your assets folder and finding the specific trust badge PNG file that you've just imported. Right click it and then choose the option to copy the image address. Once you have this image address copied, just go over to the footer section of your website. I'm going to be editing this file, footer.liquid, and I want to add the trust badges right after these payment icons. So if I reload the page, it is going to go away. I'm going to add them right underneath it. Like I said, you can add the badges wherever you want. You simply have to find the section that is available on these lines of code here. So for example, if you want it more to the right, you will have to configure it after the payment badges. If you want it to the left, you will have to do it before, and so on. Now, once you find a specific section where you want to add the badges, for me, it is going to be right after the payment icons. Just create a new line. So if I scroll up, what you have to do now is first start with a div. So make a div just like this. Right after the div, you can include img or image. Now press space and type crc equals, and in here, all that you have to do is paste the address of the image that we just copied. So if you right click this image, copy image address, you will be able to include right after crc or source, and then close the image here. Afterwards, just close the div and this is ready. You can basically save this, and if I reload the page, the trust badges should appear here after this asset is properly saved. Sorry, I forgot to close the div, but now it should be available here. Of course, you can clearly notice that the dimensions are all wrong. They are very big. In order to change this, right after the image, do a space and you can type width equals and then type out the amount, the percentage, and then you can also do the same for height. There are plenty of customization options, but for this video, unfortunately, due to the nature that I'm recording this, I will not be able to go into too much detail. I highly recommend that after you initially set it up by following these steps that I gave you, you carefully take your time to make it fit the screen better whenever you want to have the trust badges appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to add trust badges to your Shopify footer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.